Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of October 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Gemini, I will really appreciate your support by clicking like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also Gemini, on today's reading, I'll be looking into both of your energy and your person energy. And I'm also going to be checking out the outcomes or how the energy is shifting throughout the month of October 2021 for both you and your person here, Gemini. Without further ado, let's get into your reading here. On this side here, Gemini, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable and vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, before I get into the reading here, I want to say here, for those of you here, Gemini, who clicked on this reading or just like wanting to have extra confirmation, I would say here, regarding the situation or regarding the connection between both of your person here, with this Two of Cups energy that I've got coming up twice for both you and your person here, Gemini, this is the ultimate confirmation that both of you and your person are currently going through a soulmate connection. Like, this is definitely a very strong soulmate connection coming up here, Gemini. There is no doubt on that. Now let's start with the reading here. First of all here, Gemini, for you here, I've got the moon energy, and then I've also got the Hierophant energy coming up here as well. I'm getting that you have a lot of suppressed emotions is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. And this suppressed emotion is what at this point of time here blocking your awakening and blocking your spiritual journey in general, I would say here, because I feel like you have been quite used to just suppress your emotion. You've been quite used to just like hide up your emotion without expressing it, I would say here. So with these two energy that I've got coming up here, the moon and the Hierophant energy, because we're also going through, because we've just like done with the new moon energy here, and we are currently in a Mercury retrograde season. Like deep down, without you even realizing here, Gemini, is that you are resisting this transformation, resisting this spiritual awakening journey, I would say, like the transformation within yourself in general, I would say here. So I feel like maybe some of you here, Gemini, are afraid to just like face out all of this emotion due to your past pain and past trauma, whatever it might be here. But this is something that you have to look within yourself here, Gemini. Ask yourself here, what are the things that you are hiding from, or what are the things that you are afraid to admit or afraid to feel within yourself here? You're not supposed to control your emotion. You're supposed to understand your emotion. So this is how you need to look into things here, Gemini. Here is what I'm getting. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this High Priestess energy and the Two of Cups energy coming up here, you know within yourself, like without any doubt here, you know within yourself here that there is this some sort of like a strange, unique and intense connection going on between both you and your person. But for some reason here is that you are afraid to admit that, or like you just like keep on doubting everything. I feel like you've been praying and asking for something, like doing everything that you can here, Gemini, but at the same time here, once you get the sign, once you get the confirmation, you keep on doubting yourself. You're like, sometimes you may even feel within yourself, you're like, am I crazy? Am I insane? Like, is this even real? Like, you might be thinking in that way. Yes, there is definitely a very strong, intense connection coming in here for you here, Gemini. There is no doubt on that. And like I said before here, you have to trust yourself. Your emotions are not supposed to be concealed. Your emotions are not supposed to be hidden, but it's supposed to be understood. Like, you're not supposed to control your emotion. You're supposed to understand your emotion here. Only after you do that here, Gemini, with the Six of Swords energy coming up here, because you are moving forward, like you are, and you're also like expecting things to just like move forward with you, like you are expecting a smooth journey here. But at the same time, because of this resistance energy coming up here, without you even realizing, this is what blocking up the situation, this is what blocking up the journey that you're supposed to go through here. So this is what you have to be focusing on here, Gemini. Now let's look at into your person energy coming up. It's quite interesting because I've got the Knight of Wands, I've got the King of Wands energy coming up here. I'm also got the Three of Swords energy coming up here. If I have to be honest here, Gemini, your person is actually feeling really sad here. I'm getting a very strong separation happening here between both of you here, Gemini. So I feel like both of you are either recently got into a separation, but I'm getting like a very strong either separation energy coming up here, or just like no communication energy at all. I'm also getting the word patiently waiting for you here, Gemini. So they are definitely feeling heartbroken. They are definitely having a very strong sadness energy coming up here, and they are also waiting patiently for you to come forward. And another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, is that for your person here is that with this Knight of Wands energy and the King of Wands energy here, they are moving, like I said before, they are feeling sad and they are patiently waiting for you. So I think at this point of time here is that the way that they are moving towards you here, Gemini, has slowed down a little bit, because they are going to be giving the ball into your court is what I'm getting coming up here, Gemini. Like they're just like waiting for something like a sign, something coming up from you here for them to actually continue moving, and for them to actually continue moving towards you here. Because at this point of time here, like this is all that they want to be doing at this time here, patiently waiting for you here with this Temperance energy. And then I've also got the Two of Cups energy coming up here. They also know, or they also realize here, that both of you definitely have a very strong soul connection. There is no denying on this anymore here, Gemini. This is like both of you know about this, but at the same time here, like there are a lot of denial, I would say here, or just like trying to conceal the emotion, trying to forget everything that just had happened between both of you. So I feel like this is something that both of you will need and will have the chance to address it here, is what I'm getting. Now let's look at into what is going to be happening throughout the month of October 2021 here. I've got new beginning coming in for you here, Gemini. So this is also already another huge confirmation about the whole reading here, that new beginning is definitely going to be there for you and your person. There is no doubt on that here, Gemini. For those of you who can still have children with this baby energy coming up here, this is also talking about pregnancy energy. And overall, I would say here is that with this new beginning energy, baby, pregnancy, union, reconciliation or reunion coming in here between both of you here, Gemini. And another thing that I've got coming up here is that friends and colleagues energy. So I feel like you, both of you, I would say here, Gemini, you and your person here would actually need to pay attention more into the inner circle that both of you have here. I feel like with this friends and colleagues energy coming up here, both of you might actually get affected more with the people around you. Like both of you here currently going through an awakening, currently going through your own spiritual journey, I would say here, Gemini. So it's also really important here for both of you to keep yourself, to keep your inner circle here is that healthy, is what I'm getting here, Gemini. So that's it for your reading for the month of October 2021. I hope this reading resonates with you, Gemini. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll really appreciate that. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.